you should be self-isolating yourself. You should be social distancing at this point of time, because this is a very crucial and very sensitive time for all of us, and we should be taking care of ourselves, and we should be very responsible citizens and keep ourselves distancing from other people right now, because this is the only thing that we can do to prevent this virus. So yeah. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I have came up with a review slash a small tutorial on L'Oreal Paris new launch Infallible 24-hour foundation, which I got in PR. They sent their collection to me. This is not their new formula, it's an existing formula which they have renovated. I have also included the hand swatches and as well as its face swatches, so that it's easier for you to choose your right shade. So without blabbering so much, let's just get started with the video and show you what are the products. They have sent me their huge, it's so huge that it can cover my entire face. So okay, so they've sent me this huge package where they have their entire collection of their L'Oreal Paris Infallible 24-hour foundation. So you might know about their Infallible foundation, which is so famous, like everybody likes their formula, and I always wanted to try their foundation, but for some reason I couldn't. But finally they have sent me their collection. So inside it, if you open it like this, so you have all the foundations from 101 to 108. So now if we talk about the formula, they are pretty matte. So yeah, 108 is my shade. I'm wearing this foundation today, and you can see it's matte, and it says that oil free. Of course, for oily skin people this foundation would be really good. And it says that air light, super light. You will not be feeling that you have something on your skin. I mean, I am wearing this foundation and I'm talking to you, I'm feeling like I have nothing on my skin. They are that weightless, and it says it has a demi matte finish, which is, however, like you will like not feeling drying, like your skin will not feel dry, but however it will look in the mirror that your skin is very matte. Like after when you see yourself, you'll feel like, oh my god, my skin is getting very dry, but actually you will not be feeling dry. Can you get me? I am very bad at explaining, but I just hope I can convey what I meant. So it will be good for the summer, upcoming summer, which will be like keeping you away from the oils, and it will give you a mattifying look. Of course, your skin will not feel like there's anything on your skin. What else do you want, guys, right? So
empty hearts and neon lights, they're playing with my mind. Gotta get out of here tonight. Oh, I wanna run off and fly, and I'll tell myself it's fine to be alone, just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. Oh, oh, oh. I hate all this overthinking. Oh, 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 oh. The more I swim, the more I'm sinking. Take me to a world of silver dance and starting fights, turning truth to lies. Gotta get up, stop wasting time. Yeah, I wanna run off and fly.
So firstly, I'm gonna moisturize my skin, and for that I'm using this L'Oreal Paris Crystal Micro Essence and applying it all over my face. It moisturizes really well. And then I'm using a primer, which is again by L'Oreal Beige Magic Primer, and it's really good for smoothing out your skin, and I'm applying that onto the area where I have really large pores. And then I'm taking the Infallible foundation in the shade 108. This is a little light for me. I think 109 would be a perfect shade for me, but still I don't have 109 with me as of the moment, so I'm applying this foundation and dotting it all over my face, and it is working perfectly well with a brush, and it is giving me sheer to medium coverage, and yeah, which is perfect for everyday basis. Now I'm applying a little bit more foundation to my face just to see if it creates any problem in layering, and to my surprise it worked really well and gave me a really good full coverage after layering it up, and it did not create any patchiness and anything, as you can see, and I really liked it. This foundation is buildable. You can build the coverage according to your need. It can give you a sheer coverage as well as full coverage. Now to see how it works with Beauty Blender, I am applying a little bit of foundation to my neck and trying to blend it with the help of a Beauty Blender. With Beauty Blender, the coverage shear downs a little bit. So if you want a full coverage, then you should be going with brush. Other than you can use Beauty Blender. Then for my concealer, I'm using this shade 106 and applying it underneath my eyes to see if it works as concealer or not, and then blending it out with Beauty Blender. And as a concealer also, you can wear this foundation, and it also gives you that highlighting effect and some sort of coverage underneath your eye, which is really good. Can you see this? This is so good. See, I zoomed you in so close to my skin and it's looking perfect. I mean, you cannot see any patches. I layered the foundation I think twice, but it's so good and works perfect with Beauty Blender and brush. The more I'm using it, the more I'm liking it. This gives like quite matte finish, so if you are from dry skin type, then you should definitely moisturize your skin so well. But I think it's not drying out my face so much. I can still use it. Like, it of course is giving me not that mattifying look. I have seen reviews on it, like people are saying that it's quite mattifying or something, but I really don't feel that much mattifying. I mean, I have so much of dry skin, you see, but this is not drying out my skin. I mean, I still can, like, I'm not feeling that stretchiness going on. So this is so good. I mean, so far so good. And I think you don't even need powder to set this foundation, because it's a mattifying foundation, like demi matte finish, so you will not be needing some powder. But yes, if you are from oily skin type, you can definitely set your face. I will not be using any powder to set this foundation. And then I'm directly moving on to mascara, and for that I'm using this Lash Paradise mascara by L'Oreal again. And firstly, I'm just curling my lashes, as I'm not going to wear any liner or falsies, and then applying the mascara onto the lashes directly. And it is a pretty good mascara. As you can see, it coats your lashes beautifully and gives you that really lengthening eyelashes. And then I'm using the same mascara and angular blush like this, and then applying it to my eyebrows to give them some shape. And then I'm concluding the makeup using this lip shade by L'Oreal in the shade I Represent 114, and applying it all over my lips. This is a very good plumpy red pinkish sort of color, which is really beautiful. optional steps, I'm applying little bit of liquid lipstick to my fingers and applying it onto my cheeks to give them some flash of color, and you're done. So as you can see, this foundation gives you that blurry effect as well, you see. I am zooming you as close as possible so that you guys can see the actual formula, like how it is. It is definitely giving you a very matte sort of a look. I mean, there is no oil, no shininess, and I haven't applied any highlighter or anything on my face because I wanted to, show you what it actually is. How your base is going to be, like after applying this foundation, so that it is easier for you to decide if you want to buy it or not. So it is so good, you can trust my opinion. This is actually very good, very weightless, and goes perfectly well with any other products as well. I am so in love with this product and I'm definitely going to use it and recommend it to you. I'm also gonna give it a wear test. I am going to keep this makeup for a way long time, like for about 24 hours, if even if not 24 hours, but also close to, so that you guys can decide like how it looks, how it goes with time. As you can see, अभी बज रहे हैं I think ढाई, like 2:38. So I'm gonna keep it like for till night. Hi. So I am in my home, in my room. It's 9:17 right now, and you can see the foundation is still on. I mean, it is not. It has not moved out from its place. Everything is settled. The makeup is still same. I just applied a little bit of highlighter and a liner because I know I've done a shooting for another video as well, but till now everything looks nice. You can see, I'll zoom you in and show you. See, nothing has moved. Even my under eyes hasn't creased yet. In this part, although a little bit patchiness is there, but not so much. Overall, this is giving a very good look and it stays, it's long lasting, so yay. So that is it with today's video, guys. I hope this review was helpful for you. If it was, then please subscribe to my channel, give this video a very big thumbs up, share it with your friends and comment down below. And I'll be seeing you guys with more tutorials very soon. Till then, bye, love yourself and take care.